Oh, you know. Oh. Yun ang teacher, oh. Make it longer pa. Longer pa. Longer pa. Help me naman. Longer pa. Longer pa. Oh, dali na.
And I will give each one of you your blue trays.
Make it longer pa.
One for Cedric. One for Theodore. One for Kylie.
Oh, ikaw, don't break
One
it, ah.
for Vivian. One
Break
for
it, ah.
Sid. Oops, it's okay.
Make it longer.
One for Caitlin. Caitlin. Okay. When you're done making your long snake, I can see your long snake.
Make it longer.
Start with the smiling face. Okay, start with the smiling face. Put this here below the smiling face. Caitlin. Let's follow. Letter W. You see, that's good. Very good, Caitlin.
Follow the line.
And then follow the red line here on our blue tray. On our blue tray. And then,
Ah, make it longer pa.
if it's not enough, you can put it away. You take it away from the tray. And then, roll some more, like this. Look at teacher. Because
Very good.
teacher's snake is too short. So I want to make it longer.
Oh, dali. Dali, make it longer. Make it longer.
Okay.
Put the last one here.
Good job, Sid. Okay, when you're done putting your W plate, make a tap-tap.
Dali, oh.
Use your fingers. Let's wait for Theodore and Cedric. When you're done, make a tap-tap.
Finish it na, finish it. Ayun, ito.
Wow, Vivian is already tapping her clay. You're excited. You know what to do.
Oh, here. Oh,
Good. She can do it alone now.
Oh, try.
Look, Theodore. Wow, you're making a W.
Oh, W.
Now it's time to tap. Very good, Vivian. Let's use our fingers and we will do tap and tap. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Tap, tap, tap and tap, and
Sa other
tap,
hand.
tap,
Yan.
tap and tap, tap,
Nice. Oh,
tap, tap and tap, and tap. Oh, do you think that's enough? Let's do it one more time. Ready?
Very good.
Let's tap, tap, tap and tap, 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 tap and tap, 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 tap and tap, and stop. Wow, I can see your W's already. And can you put it up like this?
Put it up.
Show the teacher.
Show the teacher. Show the teacher. Show the teacher. Show.
Wow.